Nonprofit corporate forms. Most California charities are organized as nonprofit corporations. The three most common types of nonprofit corporations under California law are public benefit corporations, mutual benefit corporations, and religious corporations. Public benefit corporations. The majority of the registered nonprofit corporations in California are organized as public benefit corporations. Under California law, a public benefit corporation must be formed for public or charitable purposes and may not be organized for the private gain of any person. A public benefit corporation cannot distribute profits, gains, or dividends to any person. Public benefit corporations often qualify for exemption from income tax. However, the failure of a public benefit corporation to qualify for income tax exemption does not necessarily free the organization and its responsible directors or officers from accountability of charitable assets. Public benefit corporations, except for example, educational institutions and hospitals, must register and report to the Attorney General's Registry of Charities and Fundraisers. Mutual benefit corporations. Mutual benefit corporations are organized most often for the benefit of their own members. They may not be formed exclusively for charitable purposes. Examples include private homeowners associations, private clubs, and trade and professional associations. Mutual benefit corporations may qualify for different income tax benefits than public health corporations. Because they serve their members and are not formed exclusively for charitable purposes, they are not considered charities and are typically exempt from registration and reporting requirements with the Attorney General's Registry of Charities and Fundraisers. But if a mutual benefit corporation solicits or receives donations for a charitable program or holds some of its assets for charitable purposes, it must register and report on those charitable assets. Religious corporations. Religious corporations are organized for religious purposes. They are usually exempt from income tax and are not required to register or file annual financial reports with the Attorney General's Registry of Charities and Fundraisers. See Chapter 12 for more information. A religious organization may also be legally formed as a sole corporation, or a corporation sole, which is another type of corporation specific to religious purposes. Again, the Abba Father Maternity House that I'm representing is a religious corporation. Thank you.